So today may challenge tayo. Simpleng math, ano lang to? Math na, ang tawag dun?
Question and answer.
Math and question and answer. So let's start right now.
A few moments later.
If you have 24 apples and you give 6 apples to each of your friends, how many friends can get apples? Ulit.
If you have 24 apples and you give 6 apples to each
Your friends, how many friends can get an apple? 3. Na? Or? Ano? Divide.
Ano?
Divide. Answer. We divide the total apples by the apples per friend. So 4 friends can get apples.
Ayoko nga pala times kasi ginawa. Tako, ang lulubog siya.
Yan.
Hindi ka nilubog ha.
A train travels 60 kilometers in 1.5 hours. What is its speed in kilometers per hour?
Wala akong ballpen.
So, yung formula dito, speed,
40.
correct. What is the unit?
40 kilometers per hour. Ay, 40 kilometer.
R. So, dito na nagtatapos yung vlog natin. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!